Time for me to cook up the rest of that lion's mane mushroom. I'm gonna make something like a lion's mane po' boy, so I cut them into chunks. I'm dredging and flouring them, and then putting them on the plate. Then we'll put them in the oil, let them fry up. So let's flour, egg wash, back in the flour, onto the plate. And I seasoned up my flour with a little onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Let's drop them in the fryer. Almost ready. When it's golden brown, I'll pull it. I'm also making some turkey tail tea that I'm going to sweeten up with the Honeystead's honey. I cut the turkey tails into really small pieces and let it simmer in a pot for about 4 hours. I'm going to toast up my bun in the toaster oven. Those things look delicious. Bun is toasted. Let's slap some mayo in there. Now let's stuff it full. Mushroom po' boy, mushroom tea. This is delicious.